shorelines, where the rhythm of the waves meets the sun. There's a land where the music's always bright. Jamaica's heart beats strong, full of life. From alligator touch and burning spear, their songs keep playing, always near. They spread the message that you gave. In every melody we find our way. From alligator touch and burning spear, their songs keep playing, always near. They spread the message that you gave. In every melody we find our way. Jamaica, my Jamaica, island of love where dreams awake. In Jamaica, my Jamaica, feel the spirit, let the music take you. Jamaica, my Jamaica, island of love where dreams awake. In Jamaica, my Jamaica, feel the spirit, let the music take ya. From reggae beats to the vibrant streets,
clear skies heading from St. Elizabeth to Mandeville. A lot of work being done, excavation work being done. Enjoy the journey with me, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we're entering Gutters. If you're taking the Knutsford Express, there's a stop. Let's keep traveling. So yes, we're continuing up Spur Tree Hill. For those who don't know, now you know. One of the longest hills, I'm guessing. If you recognize something up here, drop a comment. Tell me what you recognize. If you know Spur Tree Hill, put it in the comments. Make sure you maintain your speed. It's one of them deadly hills, so you have to be careful. So if you're not from here, make sure to watch the video so you familiarize yourself with the road. If you are, then you don't know. It's a beautiful day. It's all sunshine and beautiful clouds, and of course trees on both sides. So if you haven't been here in a while, just keep watching. It's like you're right back there. As usual, forgive the bumpy ride. Forgive the camera shifting up and down using my phone. But I hope you still enjoying the ride, alright? you know how long this hill is, guys, let me know. Drop a comment. Tell me. Tell us all. So slowing down since there's a big truck in front, and you know, safety first, so we all stay safe while taking this journey. I'll pick up back in a few minutes. So we just passed Newark Estate. If anyone knows it, I'm not sure what it is, if it's a apartment complex, someone's home, some place to visit while in Jamaica, but we just passed that. Now we're continuing through, passing a hardware place, Alpha Brothers Hardware. So I guess if you're in this area and you're building and you need hardware supplies, that's good enough a place to check out. If you want to get your car, we just passed a motor car place that sells cars, so you can check that out as well. And then just more and more and more landscape to see. And more beautiful homes. If you're from here, drop a comment. Let me know you're from here. That's the neighborhood. Sorry about the lots of grass. I hope you're able to see some of the houses. That's one incomplete. But at least the beautiful thing has been worked on. So enough big up if you're investing. You're contributing back. More motor sales place here if you want to buy your vehicle. There you go. And a guest house, Crystal Palace guest house. If you have nowhere to stay and you need to stay in a guest house, that's an option. And of course, do your research. Another auto place, another building being built. Lots of construction going on. As usual, I apologize for the video. I mean, it's clear, however, it's very bumpy. You're getting a lot of up and down. I do apologize. As authentic as possible using my phone. So welcome to Mandeville, y'all. So from St. Elizabeth to Manchester, if you're from Manchester, I mean like me, born in Manchester but lived in St. Elizabeth, father from St. Elizabeth, mother from St. Elizabeth, so a little bit of both worlds. So if you're from Manchester or Mandeville, drop a comment. Tell me about where you're from and what makes it the best place to be from. So just keep enjoying Manchester. Alright, so there we have some majestic buildings. So some nice houses, big houses. We're just passing Bookman Jerk Hut, so I guess if you're in Manchester and want jerk, chicken, pork, any of that, then you can stop by there. Don't know how good it is, but if you try it, let me know. And more homes on each side. And welcome to Manchester. So we're moving a little slowly because we're behind this truck. And you know the road is pretty narrow, it's not like you can bore your way around. Plus your safety is paramount, safety first. So we keep passing places, more auto sales places, gas stations, homes. for sale. So if you're into the apartments buying, there are hotels that you can stay at to. If you're in the Hartsfield area, Manchester area, so with your pass through, you can take any numbers that you need from there. Water trucks, of course, you know, water commodity here. So of course, if you need a water truck to carry your water, reach out to them. Get your water brought to your home. And just continue the ride with me. Before we get to our destination, so continue sharing that with you. Welcome to Mandeville, it says. Just past Glenrock Hotel, some new construction happening over there. Homes on the other side. Welcome to Manchester High School. So if you're from Manchester and you're an alumni of Manchester High School, welcome back to Manchester High School. Lots of auto places to buy your cars. So we're on Perth Road. So if you know Perth Road, drop it in the comment. Perth Road, Mandeville. Entering into the town. Gas station, more gas station. Supreme Ventures, I'm guessing that's where you buy your lot of cash pot, whatever they need. Banking, West area, lots and lots to do here. In Mandeville town, traffic rootless, it is, I think, after 1 and is non-stop. You have to fight to get out to join the traffic. To your left, you have some sort of plaza, I'm not sure which it is. And then in front of you, everything else. Anything at all you want to buy? Trust me, you can find it out here. Fruits, vegetables, badminton racket, water. Of course, the whole heap of road taxi them Or you could take for going whichever area you come from. Look at that something. Hargreaves Hospital. So thank you so much for enjoying the ride with me, and see you in the next video.